Assembly and installation of standard wall-mounted toolboard panels. Your standard wall-mounted tool panel will arrive fully assembled with Z-mount channels on each end that are pre-drilled with 1/4-inch holes for mounting. If your tool panel was part of the original specs for building and equipping your vehicle, the equipment manufacturer would have had access to the backside of your compartment walls during fabrication and would have been able to use nut and bolt construction for these panels during installation. In the event that your vehicle is already built and you will mount these panels yourself, prior to drilling, it is still highly recommended that you contact your vehicle manufacturer to verify that there are no tanks, wiring harnesses, or similar hazards located immediately behind where you intend to drill. Armed with this information, you are ready to begin. For compartments made of steel or aluminum, most end users will mount using self-tapping fasteners. For stainless steel compartments, where galling may occur, users may decide to drill and tap using machine screws and lock washers, for example. While each installation can be different, the important things to consider are standard industry practices for safety, corrosion protection, as well as a schedule of periodic checks to ensure that the fasteners remain snug year after year. Now we're going to show you exactly how to get this bolted into position. Depending on your installation, tools that you will need are a tape measure, shims or blocks of wood, for example, and a saw, transfer punch and hammer or a marker, strong duct tape or a brace of some sort, screw gun with the appropriate tip for your chosen fasteners, possibly a drill, tap, and lubricant, your chosen fasteners, and as always, wear appropriate eye protection and safety gear. In order to position the panel's height on your compartment wall, we may suggest cutting a couple blocks of wood to raise, level, and support the panel at the desired height for installation. Set the blocks on the floor at the wall of the compartment, and rest your tool panel on top of the blocks. Measure around all sides to center and level the panel, and then with the weight supported, firmly tape or brace the top of the panel to hold it in position while you work. Mark or transfer punch through the pre-drilled holes on the Z-channel and onto your compartment wall. Again, verify that there is safe clearance to drill or to screw your fasteners through the wall. Proceed with mounting using your fasteners of choice. If you have any questions with this installation process, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help. View our other videos online for additional tips and information.